Hi there, and welcome to the video on purchasing a Multipass. Multipasses are used to register for drop-in activities and can be thought of like a punch card. Let's get to it. From your account, head into the store you would like to shop in. Click on the Multipass page. Note that the page could have another name like ClassPass or whatever the organization you are shopping with has chosen to call their Multipasses. In my case, I want to buy a 10 pass for fitness sessions. Click Add to Cart and choose the person who will be using the passes from your account. We must complete the purchase before we can register to any classes, so let's head straight to checkout. Confirm that the pricing is correct, fill in any required information, and choose your method of payment. Once you've finished paying for your multipass, you will see a pop-up reminding you that you can now go ahead and book your classes. Scroll down and click on Reserve Your Spots, which takes you back into the store. I'm going to head to fitness and find the class that's right for me. Hot yoga sounds good. Click on Drop In and pick a day from the calendar. Then click on Register. We can now see the option to use our multipass to register for this class. Click on the pass, choose if you would like a confirmation email or not, and select Continue. And that's it. You are now enrolled for a drop-in class by using your multipass. See you next time.